In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see tags list in Asana. If you've ever wondered how to pull up all tasks that share a specific tag, this walkthrough will make it simple and repeatable. First, open your web browser and head to Asana's login page. Make sure you're on the official site so your information stays secure. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. If you normally log in a different way, that's fine too. Just sign in as you usually do. When prompted, select the Google account you use for Asana and complete the sign-in process. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the right one before moving on. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home or a recent view. Navigate to the project where the task and tag you're interested in live. You can open it from the sidebar or search for the project name if that's quicker. After the project loads, look through the task list and open a task that already has the tag you want to explore. Tags are a lightweight way to categorize work across projects, so choosing a task with the correct tag is the quickest route to finding the full list. With the task open in the right-hand pane, locate the Tags section. Depending on your layout, tags usually appear near the task title or alongside other task metadata. You'll see the tag displayed as a clickable label. Go ahead and click that tag. This is the key action. Clicking the tag opens a dedicated view for that tag. You'll now see a list of all tasks that carry the same tag, not just in this project, but across your workspace where that tag is used. This makes it easy to track themes, priorities, or workflows that cut across teams and projects. Take a moment to scan the list and confirm you're seeing the tasks you expect. If your organization uses naming conventions or color coding for tags, those cues can help you quickly recognize the right view. You can also adjust the way the list is displayed, such as sorting by due date or assignee, to make the information more actionable for your needs. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you frequently reference this tag, consider bookmarking the page in your browser so you can jump back to it fast. And if you don't see the tag or the tasks you expect, verify you're in the correct workspace and that you have access to the relevant projects. That's it. You've successfully opened the tag view and can now see all tasks associated with that tag in Asana.